It's Buddy Break with Hal Johnson and Joanne McLeod. Buddy Break. Buddy Break. Buddy Break. Buddy
Break. Boxers are some of the finest conditioned athletes in the world, and jumping rope is a large part of their training program.
But jumping rope isn't limited to boxers. It's a convenient, inexpensive aerobic activity that can be done at home or in the gym. Jumping rope helps improve your heart and lung capacity, and it's a good fat and calorie burner. In fact, jumping rope is now being used in schools to encourage students to participate and understand the importance of daily physical fitness. And if it's been years since you've jumped rope, make sure you have well-cushioned shoes that provide good overall support. And the rope should be heavy enough so it won't tangle easily. To measure the right length for you, place both feet in the center and lift the handles up too, but not past your armpits. Remember, start slowly and progress gradually. To add variety, include several movements without jumping over the rope.
Jumping rope won't make you a boxer, but it'll get you into good shape. So until next time, keep fit and have fun.
Buddy Break.